Hey everybody, Adrian Garcia, County Commissioner, Precinct 2. As you all well know, we are under the declaration of emergency related to coronavirus, or otherwise known as COVID-19. I want to make sure that everybody knows that we're doing everything possible to make sure you and your families and your businesses and your children are as safe as we can through this unique situation that we find ourselves in. First, want to make sure that you're practicing all of the steps that our health professionals are suggesting, keeping distance, not going out if you don't need to be out. Don't go to large events. If you're hosting one, please consider canceling it. It is all of those things that we need to do: washing your hands regularly for at least 20 seconds, using hand sanitizer and the like, and also wiping down your work locations and wherever you may be around, exercising all cautions. This is how we're going to get through this. And we as the county are also working to do our part to help everyone out. The judge has recently issued a declaration about closing bars and events where more than 10 people would be at. I know that this is a little concerning, but it's what needs to be done. Restaurants have also been put on a curbside notice. They can still operate, but not dine inside. So they'll be providing the drive-through service, curbside service, things of that nature. But the judge has indicated that restaurants should not serve inside. Again, all of what can be done. Also today, this morning, I asked about evictions, making sure that families are not going to be put out on the street during this emergency. The judge is going to be providing some declaration on that very soon, but she has the authority to make sure that the eviction dockets are suspended for the time being. All of this is new and unique for us. We're also working to make sure that our small businesses that are doing, well, any business that's doing business with the county is getting paid as promptly as possible. But obviously, this is most important for our small businesses. And then, as the precinct, we are making sure that no one is left behind. We are taking care of our homebound seniors specifically and as a major priority. Yesterday, my team and I distributed 260 homebound meals. Some were hot meals for our seniors and for those who depend on those meals at our community centers, which the buildings are closed, but we're not closed. So we're just extending our services externally to each and every one of you. So if you have questions, if you want to know what services are being provided, what we can, where you can call or reach out for help or for information, reach out to my precinct. You can visit my website at hcp2.com. We're putting all of this information out there as well as possible. Also, listen, if you are not feeling well, obviously fever is one of the things that the health professionals in the threat of coronavirus are specifically looking for. But if you don't feel well, call your doctor. We also have a Call Your Nurse hotline. That's 713-634-1110. Call that line and get information, be in contact with someone. But if you're not feeling well, the last thing you need to do is not tell anyone, and the last thing you need to do is not seek out some help. If you have a fever, then it is critically important that you engage your doctor, call call your nurse hotline, ask your nurse hotline, 713-634-1110, and people will guide you through the whole process on what you need to be doing. But this is what we need to be doing at this particular time. Again, county facilities are closed down for the most part. Operations are still open. You can do a lot of business with the county over the internet. So just seek out, whether it's the county clerk's office, the district clerk's office, whether it's the precinct office, whoever it may be that you need. We're doing a lot of things still online, so that is still available to you. And lastly, I'll just say that we are thinking through the things that we don't have answers for yet at the moment. We're thinking through the possibility, no promises, for daycare. How do we handle this thing? Because we know that families need to get to work, but providing daycare is going to be a challenge. So we're working through all these things. Don't have any answers yet. Don't have any promises to make, other than we're working through these issues right now. It's all new for us, and so we will be providing you updates as we go along. Thank you.